Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentaries. Today it is a Wednesday, July the 12th. Thanks for joining us here. I was on RFD TV yesterday. I'll be putting a link of that out on Twitter this morning. Be doing the commodity wrap program this afternoon after the markets close, and that'll air on Sirius Satellite Radio, channel 147 tonight at 6 o'clock, and I believe again at 10 o'clock time frame. We'll be talking markets and what happened with the supply and demand report that'll be out later this morning. Trade is looking for a reduction of just over a bushel per acre in corn and just virtually no reduction in yield for soybeans. Historically, USDA has been very slow as far as this report goes on recognizing any yield changes. Only 2 times since 2009 have they done anything in corn. The most recent, I believe, was 2012, where they cut corn yields by about 12 bushels per acre. And in soybeans, only 5 times out of the last 24 years have they made any reductions or changes in soybean yield in this report. But markets here really struggling with what direction to take. Do they trade the hot and dry, drought-like conditions in the western Corn Belt, or do they trade the heavy rains and flood conditions that are going on in Illinois and Indiana? There is forecasts for some rains to move through southern Iowa. That would be a benefit to them. The northwest portion, the western portions of Iowa, getting critical for some rain, and those areas are going to remain very dry according to this forecast. Crop reports at 11. We'll have audio comments on our website talking about that. As we look at livestock trade right now, cattle are called higher, about 45, 50 higher. The fundamentals overall are a little bearish here, but looks like we could have some steady to better cash trade today, and that is giving us a boost. A lot of times we will rally into the online auction, and then we start to see some weakness. So let's see if that is the same pattern that happens today. We'll be monitoring that very closely. Feeder cattle should have a little bit of strength on the opening with lower corn prices overnight. As I said, markets are really struggling here. What weather forecasts to trade off of? We'll be updating those as well. We'll be also putting a picture on Twitter of some lawns that are burning up in near our office in Storm Lake, Iowa. Grass is brown and very crunchy there, as there's been no rain for long periods of time. Have a great day. Good luck and good trading. This has been Brian Hoops for Midwest Markets.